Hard-working production lines require reliable printing solutions that are able to take on dusty, cold, wet, or even hot environments, where changing substrates have zero impact on code quality, where quick startup times and low maintenance make for great overall equipment effectiveness, where coding does not limit your production process. Welcome to Domino's AX-Series versatile CIJ printers, designed to boost your production effectiveness. With its foundations built on over 40 years of experience in CIJ printing and ink development, Domino's AX-Series has you covered no matter what. The iPulse printhead technology delivers outstanding code quality at high line speeds of up to 500 meters per minute. And utilizing the AX-Series Duo printhead option lets you print double the text at the same line speed. Combined with Domino-developed inks means you've got the perfect printer for the job. Our inks ensure lasting adhesion and light fastness. Food packaging safe and MEK-free options help you comply with industry food packaging standards. Reliability is at the core of all AX-Series printers, starting first time, every time, thanks to the unique nozzle sealing technology and easy single-button start. Keeping operations quick, simple, and flexible. It takes just a few touches to change settings, edit labels, or view printer performance on the QuickStep user interface. Ink replenishment is on the go, and annual maintenance is a less than 10-minute operator task. For integration into modern factory environments, the AX-Series is Industry 4.0 ready. With Domino Cloud, your production team can drive improvements through remote diagnostics. Domino automation systems enable integration in ERP and MES systems, preventing errors. Domino AX-Series printers. Reliable, versatile, inkjet technology for product coding in all environments.